here we have with us the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Makhanlal Chaturvedi National University of Journalism and Mass Communication. Good morning, sir. I am student of Journalism and Mass Communication, and I welcome you on behalf of Shri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth Vishwavidyalaya to the National Media Conclave Prava 2020. Sir, as we all know that you have been in the field of journalism for over more than 2 decades. So, sir, when you started practicing journalism, it was a very different scenario, and now we are in a digital era. So, sir, what difference do you find in the journalism back then and today's contemporary journalism?
You see, I always say that journalism is journalism. The basics does not change. The only change which happens is a format. That was the time when we used to file our stories by hand on typewriters, but gradually the computers they came in, so we started doing it on computers. But the writing of stories, the style of writing didn't change much. But gradually, as India headed towards liberalization and as the technological advances took place and with the advent of internet, things started changing. Changing in the sense that long form became short form, faxes were replaced by emails, landlines were replaced by mobile phones, the emergence of social media is I'll say it's a remarkable and a path breaking thing, because that has empowered each citizen, each individual to become a journalist. So there was this democratization of media, democratization of information. But that period too didn't last long. That democratization was actually a misnomer. It didn't happen actually. Gradually, we saw that digitalization of media led to cartelization of media. It started getting into hands of few people. And with the digitalization, the traditional media started shrinking. And that process is going on, still going on. But as I said, that the format has changed, the consumption pattern has changed, but the demand for news, the hunger for news, that continues. There was a time when, because as I said, that 1991 is uh, is that dividing line of our country, where we went towards capitalization from mixed economy or a closed economy. So with that, so many things they came. So like any other profession, it changed. Journalism has also changed in terms of format, in terms of presentability, in terms of you'll say medium, in terms of like the growth of television. Growth of television is a big thing which had happened in India, and that was that. I mean, that continued till a few years back. But now we are saying that even the television news. When I'm saying television, limiting myself to only news thing. So that is also now gradually waning. But that television news is coming on mobile phones. So news will continue to rule.
Definitely, sir. And secondly, according to you, what media ethics should be followed when we are working in this field of journalism?
I mean, whatever is good for a citizen of India, that applies for any journalist also. As a journalist, you don't enjoy any special power. You don't enjoy, you don't have those special powers that you are a journalist, so you can do anything or like that. You are also like any other citizen. So, like a doctor, when he does his MBBS, he signs on one Hippocrates oath that this is a profession where I will work like a true professional. So the same applies to journalism also. Journalism used to be a mission before independence, but now it is a proper profession. So whatever are the ethics of any profession, they apply to the ethics of journalism also. And we have Press Council of India, we have Editors Guild of India. But apart from that, I always say, and I always tell my students, that anything that is good, which is beneficial to the last person of the society, as Gandhi ji said, that the famous mantra of Mahatma Gandhi, that any action of yours is decided by the fact whether it is good for the last person of the society or bad. If any of your action is bad for him, will not be beneficial for him, that is wrong. So the same applies for journalism also.
Yes, I totally agree. And sir, lastly, what message would you like to convey to the aspiring journalists who look on to you, that they someday they want to be a good journalist like you?
Read a lot, listen to diverse views, don't get fixed to one particular thought, allow yourself to read, listen to diverse thoughts which are there on this earth, read world history, focus on your language, don't commit spelling mistakes, think twice before speaking any word, whether you are pronouncing it right or not, in whichever language you are doing, in Hindi or English. So see, and make somebody as your role model, some good anchor, some good journalist, and read him thoroughly or her.
Okay, sir. And lastly, we are proceeding towards Prava 2020. So, sir, what's your take on this event?
So this is a good event which has been organized by your university, Shri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth Vishwavidyalaya, and I came to know that this is one of the oldest trust probably in Madhya Pradesh which is running. And this kind of selfless work being done by a trust, a community or people is an example for rest of the society. And the quality education is very important, and I have learned that this university is trying towards that direction also. And this national media conclave help students to listen to so many people who are coming here to speak.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Your time means a lot to us. Thank you so much.